Hi everybody, I'm Jim Shore. We're here at my studio here in South Carolina, and it's outside. It's a blustery winter day, and in your area I'm sure it's the same way. And during the winter season, you know, things are just a little bit drab. They lack the color that spring and summer has. So I've created a collection of one of my favorite subjects, and that is these variety of birds, to bring a little bit of color in the house on a otherwise colorless day. I think it'll raise your spirits and make you feel a little bit happier than you would otherwise on a winter day. And so, you know, take a look. They're here on the site. That's a variety. The design on them is my signature designs, and they're one of my favorites and one of the favorites of the family, and I think they'll be one of your favorites too. So take a look. I think you'll like them.